Meet the CellarCool Flex Series, a versatile wine cellar cooling system designed to adapt to a wide range of cellar styles and installation environments. With its compact footprint and adaptable airflow options, this system is ideal for projects where space constraints, aesthetics, and quiet operation are key considerations. The Flex Series supports ducted, ductless, and hybrid airflow configurations, allowing it to adapt to the unique demands of any wine cellar project. Common applications include wine cabinets, in-cellar placements, modern wine walls, soffit-mounted installations, closet-concealed mechanical spaces, and traditional walk-in wine cellars, where discrete integration is required. The Flex Series is compatible with both Omni 110-volt HE and 220-volt standard and advanced HE condensing units, offering flexibility for indoor or outdoor condenser placement based on space, access, and noise considerations. To learn more about the Flex Series or get help selecting the right configuration, please click the links in the video description below.